Anong kwentong PCOS mo?
1, 2, 3.
September is PCOS Awareness Month and according to statistics, 70% ng mga kababaihan ay hindi pa diagnose ng PCOS at isa sa bawat 10 babae ay nadadiagnose nito. The 2024 PCOS Awareness Month theme is Voices of Strength, Agents of Change. Sa temang ito, ina-encourage po tayo magbahagi ng mga personal stories and experiences upang masuportahan ang patient-centered research at magbigay kontribusyon sa mga may pangangailangan pa ng mga may PCOS. Personally speaking, I've been diagnosed for almost 8 years now and I consider this as a blessing in disguise because I became more aware of my health and a way to love myself more. Kaya naman, here are my 3 personal tips on how I handle PCOS. Number 1, I should have 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. Kakatulong po itong pataasin ang ating happy hormones. Malaking tulong na ang paglalakad 10 minutes after meals for a total of 30 minutes per day. Number 2, less sweets. PCOS girlies are prone to insulin resistance which can lead to diabetes and heart disease after the age of 50. Moderation is the key, kaya naman ngayon pa lang pakibawasan na ang sugary beverages and refined carbohydrates. And number 3, supplementation. I always make sure that I take my daily supplements dahil malaki ang naitutulong nito sa pag-manage ng PCOS symptoms. And ang isang supplement na highly recommended ko rin is omega-3 fatty acid like Megalife. Ang Megalife ay naglalaman ng 1,200 mg of omega-3 fatty acid at pwede po kayong uminom nito 1 capsule after meals. Naglalaman din ito ng lemon oil extract para mabawasan ang fishy taste nito. Take note, naka 50% off sila ngayon at huwag palagpasin ang sale na to. Ikaw, anong kwentong PCOS mo? You can share it through our comment section. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!